Me and you're excited to get your iPhone 15. And you're looking at cases. I have a few that I was sent early to unbox and review from TORRAS. Let's check this out. Open it up. This is a very simple but elegant case. I like this because you can see it is fully clear and it has extra protection on the edges. If you see it in there, that extra strip, and it's inside as well to give it an extra shockproof. MagSafe case has their logo right here, and yeah, just really nice. Extra ridge around here for the camera, and of course this doesn't fit an iPhone 15, but here's one of my old iPhones, and you can see how it'll show all of the coloring of your phone right there. Also, you can see even comes with this little plastic piece to keep it nice. It's a little glossy, has anti-yellowing effect, and the best part about this case is it is fully clear. You spend all this time worrying about like what color phone am I going to get, then you put some black case on it. This solves that issue, lets you be able to enjoy your phone. Easy to use buttons right here, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.